Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Mom Goody Days, and I really want to thank each and every one of you out there for not noticing my new haircut in the last video. Jokes apart, I am back with another video. As I had promised, this is going to be about the hair removal, and I'm not going to use the hot wax or cold wax or razor or strips. What I'm going to use, you're going to see. Stay with me. I accidentally came across this page on Instagram called Vijaya Herbals _Bangalore. I'll link that in the description box. And I saw these reviews on the product and I was like, okay, let me buy it. And believe me, I brought it with zero expectations. And the moment I tried it on me, it left my skin super smooth and with no hair, and it did a brilliant job. Two things that came into my mind was, this is going to be my permanent product in my stash, and the second thing, that this product is definitely going to my channel because I'm sure this is going to give relief to a lot of ladies out there. And the product that I'm referring to is this one. It's a wax powder, and it says no hair organic wax powder. It's a painless and an effective way of removing facial and the body hair in just few minutes. This retails for about 349 rupees for 100 grams. Basically, it's a wax powder. You have to take the required amount of the wax powder, and then you can mix it with water or rose water. I tried it with water and it worked absolutely fantastic. So just have to add the water, but make sure you keep the paste a little thicker and just apply it on your body, be it in the direction of your hair growth, and leave it for 20 minutes if it's on the body, and if it's on your face, you have to leave it for just 5 minutes. I haven't tried it on my face, but on my body it worked absolutely fine. I don't have much of hair on my legs or arms, but I did try it on the underarms as well, where we have that coarse hair. It worked beautifully well. So I think this works for people who have thicker hair also. I think it works absolutely fantastic. Once it's dry, you have to wipe it off in the opposite direction using a damp cotton cloth, or even the wipes also works perfect. Without any pain, your skin will be left super smooth with no hair. That is something I really liked about it. You might ask me that the commercial creams that we get also might work in a similar fashion, but one thing that I observed is that the creams, when I use it, tends to make my skin really dull and dark. I don't know why. So that's the reason I have stopped using it. Like, it's been 10 years. Oh yeah, it's been 10 years since I've used any creams. I usually go for Cellens, but one thing I have an issue with the Cellens is that I have to keep reminding them very often that to hold my skin really tight when they try to pull that hair. I also feel that the more we pull our skin, it actually, we are harming the skin, because I think we are making it a little saggy and the firmness is gone. And that way wax powder is absolutely fantastic, because you just have to apply it and remove it. The only con, if I have to say, is that the smell is a little awful. I can say it smells like the Femme cream which we used to get before. The moment you put it, you can feel the smell, but after you wash it, you don't feel that smell. So I feel it's absolutely fine for the effect we get after. Things you have to take care is that, yes, this applies to anything that you use, be it a skincare or be it anything, that always do a patch test on a very sensitive region. You can do it on this particular region, that's the inner elbow. That's the very sensitive part. The second thing, you have to remove the jewelry, because the metal can get oxidized because of the wax powder. Another thing which I take care is that whenever I go for waxing, usually I don't put on the lotion or moisturizer before waxing. It helps in a clean removal of the hair, but post waxing I go ahead and put the moisturizer or lotion. It's an organic wax powder, and I'll also put up the ingredients list somewhere here. Please take a look at it. If you're interested, you can go ahead and visit their page. I'll mention their Instagram handle in my description section. All you have to do is just message them over there. I don't have their WhatsApp number as such. If you're comfortable over WhatsApp, let me know if you want in the comment section. I'll just try to contact and get their WhatsApp number so that you can DM them and put your orders over there. By the way, this is no way sponsored. I really love their products, and that's the reason I took my own interest and I'm putting it on my channel. And also they have some really other good stuffs in their page as well, which I haven't tried. If you are interested, you can go ahead and check that as well. They have some really amazing products. Yeah, they don't have a website as such, but because it's a very small startup now, but they are doing an amazing job, I must say. With that, it's a wrap. Now, during this pandemic situation, this video must have been really helpful for you guys. If so, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, because this channel got everything and there are lots of information that I want to share with you guys. So having said that, take care of yourselves, and as I always say, cherish every moment of your motherhood. Take care. See ya. Bye bye.